Welcome to FoxKit Tutorials by FoxEcom. Today, we're going to explore how to set up sales notifications for your Shopify store. Have you ever wondered how those little pop-ups can influence customer behavior? These notifications are more than just alerts, they're powerful marketing tools that can increase trust and boost sales by showing real-time activity and engagement. Let's get started and turn those notifications into your secret sales weapon. First, check the status setting and ensure the feature is marked as active to display it on your theme. You can also choose whether it appears on mobile view. Next, let's make the sale notification messages more engaging. In the Messages settings, you'll see two main fields, title and time. Use variables in your notifications, keep them dynamic and engaging. This personalization helps build trust and encourage other shoppers to take action. Now let's set up the data source for your sale notifications to ensure they show the right information. FoxKit allows you to use real orders data, which syncs directly with your Shopify orders to provide real-time updates for your store. Simply click the Sync Orders button to retrieve your latest order data. To keep everything up to date automatically, enable the Auto Sync with Real Orders data option. This way, your notifications will always reflect the latest information on your store.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool. FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
We're back. Let's jump right into setting up sales notifications with FoxKit and pick up where we left off. Now, let's set how your sale notifications will appear on your store. Start by choosing the placement of your notifications. You can select between the bottom left or bottom right corner of your website. Adjust the display time to choose the duration that a notification stays on your site and the delay time between notifications to control how often they appear. The delay time to show the first notification determines how soon the first notification will pop up after the page loads. Finally, decide how many notifications can appear on a single page. For example, limiting it to 20 ensures a balanced and engaging experience for your visitors. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up sales notifications for your Shopify store using FoxKit Upsell Cross-Sell app. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on growing your Shopify store. Ready to take your sales to the next level? Install the FoxKit app and start maximizing your store's potential with sales notifications, upsells, and more.